Hello guys, welcome to the second session of Create Custom Alexa Skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn about what is AI and Alexa. Now, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI is the study of intelligent agents, which includes any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of success at some goal. AI is intelligence exhibited by machines rather than humans. Nowadays, AI is used in various types of applications such as business, healthcare, education, finance, law, and manufacturing. AI research includes reasoning, knowledge, planning, learning, natural language processing, just as communication, perception, and the ability to move and manipulate objects. Alexa is one kind of AI. Alexa is Amazon's voice control system. Alexa gets its name from the ancient library of Alexandria. It's a virtual assistant, which is not a new concept in technology. You are already familiar with Cortana, Siri, Google Assistant, or IBM Watson. Alexa responds to voice control by returning information such as news, music, weather, sports, and more. Alexa runs on Amazon Web Services in the cloud. Alexa is not only dedicated to mobile device, it is also centralized within in-home Amazon devices like Echo. Alexa's development is divided into two parts. Alexa Skill Kit, which is also known as Ask. Throughout this series, we will use Alexa Skill Kit to create our own skills. Another part is Alexa Voice Service, using which we can embed Alexa within your own products or device such as in car, mobile, or even in computers. Some laptop manufacturers such as Lenovo provides Alexa by default just like Cortana. We will not learn about it in this series. Now what Alexa can do? Alexa is capable to do various things such as answer your question for some facts, information, maths problem. Even you can start a conversation with her and also ask her for tell me a joke. You can also add any product to the cart of logged in Amazon account. For this, Amazon Dashboard comes with barcode scanner. So you just need to scan the barcode of a product that you want to buy. It will be automatically placed in the cart. We can also ask Alexa for stream music. It will play music from Amazon Prime Music Library. However, we can also use third-party skills such as Spotify, Pandora, or Savan. Alexa also reads news headlines from resources that we have selected. It is known as flash brief. Like other assistants, we can also know about current weather as well as set reminders. One of my favorite features is it provides controlling of smart home setups. We can tell her to start kitchen lights or switch bedroom light to 80% dim. Also with this, Alexa also supports third-party skill which allows us to do various things such as book cab, send a message, order food, daily horoscope, etc. I know it's really boring to learn and understand the only theoretical concept of something. In next session, we will understand what is skill and how it works. We will create our first skill in fourth session. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.